Imagine this. You're at the airport, coffee in hand, ready for your big trip. You dressed stylishly this morning because you wanted to look good while traveling. 10 minutes later, you're barefoot on the cold security floor, sweating because your jacket won't fit in the bin, and holding up the entire line as TSA searches through your oversized belt buckle. Here's the truth. What you wear to the airport can either make your trip smooth, stress-free, and comfortable, or turn it into a nightmare before you've even boarded. In today's video, we're uncovering the worst travel outfits you should never wear on a plane. These mistakes can ruin your comfort, delay you at security, embarrass you in front of strangers, and even create safety risks in an emergency. By the end, you'll know exactly what not to wear and what smart travelers wear instead. Let's get started. 1. Shoes that betray you. Your shoes are the first deal breaker. Airports love to test your footwear choice. Ever seen someone at security struggling with lace-up boots? They're balancing on one foot, untying knot after knot, the line behind them huffing louder every second. When they finally get through, TSA makes them take the boots off again because of the thick soles. That person? Don't be that person. Here's what to avoid. Heavy boots, military boots, work boots, anything bulky. TSA almost always checks them twice. High heels, not only painful after a long walk across terminals, but also downright dangerous if you have to move quickly in an emergency. Flip-flops. They seem convenient, but imagine sprinting to your gate in them. Or worse, using a public restroom barefoot when one slips off. Yikes. The smart move? Go for slip-on sneakers or travel loafers. They're easy to remove, supportive for long walks, and safe to run in if you hear that dreaded final boarding call for passenger announcement. 2. Socks, your hidden armor. Most people don't think twice about socks until they're standing barefoot on an airport floor where thousands of strangers have walked. Not exactly glamorous. Thin socks wear down fast, leaving your feet cold and exposed. On long flights, tight socks can even cut off circulation. On the flip side, no socks at all is a rookie mistake. You'll regret it the second TSA makes you step out of your shoes. The pro trick? Compression socks. They look ordinary but secretly help your blood circulation, reduce swelling, and lower your risk of developing clots from sitting too long. Frequent flyers swear by them. Want to feel extra fresh mid-flight? Pack a spare pair in your carry-on and change them halfway through. It's like a secret energy boost. 3. Shorts, the coldest mistake you'll ever make. You may think, it's summer, it's hot, I'll wear shorts. But airplanes are not designed with summer in mind. Cabin temperatures are often freezing, and your legs will become human popsicles by the first hour. Plus, sitting in shorts means your bare skin touches seats that have been, let's just say, well used by thousands of passengers before you. Do you really want direct contact with that? The better choice? Lightweight pants or joggers. They'll keep you warm, protect your skin, and still give you mobility. Pick breathable fabrics like cotton or bamboo for comfort. And remember, fitted cuffs, like on joggers, prevent your pants from dragging on airport bathroom floors. 4. Leggings and synthetic fabrics, a hidden danger. Now this one surprises a lot of travelers. Leggings are popular because they're stretchy and comfy. But here's the risk. Leggings are usually made from synthetic fabrics like polyester or nylon. In everyday life, no problem. On an airplane, they could be a hazard. If there's ever a fire during an evacuation, synthetic fabrics can melt onto your skin, causing more severe burns than natural fabrics. Airlines and safety experts actually recommend avoiding them. Instead, choose cotton, wool, or bamboo blend fabrics. They're breathable, more fire-resistant, and keep you comfortable for long hours. And if you still love leggings, wear natural fiber joggers over them. You get comfort and protection. 5. Complicated outfits, jumpsuits, rompers, overalls. Jumpsuits look stylish until you try to use an airplane bathroom. Cramped space, turbulence, and a one-piece outfit you basically have to remove completely? It's a recipe for regret. Same goes for overalls and rompers. Anything that turns a quick bathroom visit into a 10-minute wrestling match is a no-go. Stick with simple, separate pieces that you can adjust easily in tight spaces. Trust me, your future self will thank you. 6. Tight clothes and shapewear. Torture in disguise. Flying is uncomfortable enough. Now imagine sitting for 6 hours in clothes that squeeze your stomach, cut off your circulation, and leave marks on your skin. That's what happens when you wear shapewear, skinny jeans, or anything too tight. Your body actually swells at higher altitudes because of cabin pressure. Clothes that feel snug but fine on the ground can feel unbearable mid-flight. Loose, breathable clothing is your friend. Stretchy waistbands, soft fabrics, and layers will keep you comfortable without sacrificing style. 7. Belts and bling, security's favorite excuse. You'd be amazed how many people forget they're wearing giant metal belts, big watches, or stacks of jewelry until the security scanner starts beeping like crazy. Then comes the awkward dance of removing it all while everyone behind you groans. Rule of thumb: the less metal, the better. Swap metal belts for fabric or plastic fasteners. Keep jewelry simple. Small studs instead of hoops. Slim watches instead of chunky metal. Pack accessories in your carry-on and put them on after security. You'll get through faster and save yourself from unnecessary pat-downs. 8. Jackets that work against you. Travelers often wear heavy coats to save suitcase space, but that backfires at security. Oversized coats not only take up space in bins, but also raise suspicions. They might get searched. Instead, choose a lightweight travel jacket with pockets. Those pockets are golden. You can store your boarding pass, passport, headphones, even snacks, all within reach. Bonus points if it doubles as a pillow when folded up. And remember, airports can feel hot while planes feel cold. A layering system is smarter than one bulky coat. T-shirt plus sweater plus jacket equals adaptable comfort. 9. Offensive or inappropriate graphics. This might sound obvious, but it happens more than you think. T-shirts with offensive slogans, explicit images, or political statements can cause real problems at airports. There are stories of passengers being asked to change clothes, or even denied boarding, because their outfits were deemed inappropriate. Remember, you're in a highly regulated, family-friendly space where rules lean conservative. Keep it neutral. Save the edgy shirts for your destination. 10. Fragile fabrics. White clothes, silks, linen. Travel is messy. Spilled coffee, food trays, turbulence, all spell disaster for fragile fabrics. A white outfit might look chic for Instagram, but one splash of tomato juice mid-flight and it's ruined. Choose darker colors or patterns that hide stains. Wrinkle-resistant fabrics also go a long way. No one wants to look like they just crawled out of a suitcase upon arrival. 11. Perfume clouds and heavy cologne. This isn't clothing, but it's a common mistake. Dousing yourself in perfume or cologne before a flight seems harmless until you're trapped in a small cabin with recycled air. Suddenly, your fresh scent becomes someone else's headache trigger. Go light, or better yet, skip it altogether until after you land. Trust me, your seatmates will silently thank you. 12. Hats and headgear. Baseball caps, oversized hats, or bulky headgear might look stylish at the airport, but they'll just get in the way on the plane. They can block the person behind you, fall off during turbulence, or make leaning back uncomfortable. If you love hats, pack them carefully and wear them after your flight. Bonus section: what to wear instead. Now that we've destroyed half your wardrobe, let's rebuild it with smart travel choices. Shoes, slip-on sneakers, travel loafers, or lightweight trainers. Bottoms, breathable joggers, cotton chinos, or wrinkle-free travel pants. Tops, t-shirt or base layer, light sweater or hoodie, and a travel jacket. Accessories: compression socks, lightweight scarf, doubles as a blanket, and a small pouch for essentials. Colors: dark, neutral tones that hide stains and look put together. The golden rule: comfort plus practicality plus safety. You don't need to look like a runway model. You just need to look like someone who travels smart. Wrap up. Here's the bottom line. Air travel is unpredictable. Delays, gate changes, freezing cabins, cramped seats. You can't control any of it, but you can control how you dress. The wrong outfit can make everything worse. The right one, it makes you feel calm, comfortable, and ready for whatever the trip throws at you. So next time you're packing, don't just think about where you're going. Think about the journey itself. Avoid these outfit mistakes, dress smart, and you'll never again be the person holding up the security line or shivering in seat 32B. Now it's your turn. What's the worst outfit you've ever worn to the airport? Or the best travel hack you swear by? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. And if this helped you rethink your airport wardrobe, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more insider travel tips that airlines don't want you to know. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next flight.